A person sitting at a desk with financial documents. Welcome to a comprehensive crash course in personal finance basics. In this video, we're diving into the essential principles that lay the foundation for a solid financial future. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to brush up on the fundamentals, this guide will empower you to take control of your finances. Let's get started. Budgeting, the cornerstone. Budgeting is the cornerstone of personal finance. It involves tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. A well-planned budget helps you allocate funds for essentials, savings, and even a bit of enjoyment. Emergency fund, financial safety net. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's a dedicated pool of money to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund in place provides peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt during tough times. Debt management. Managing debt is crucial for financial health. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit card balances. By reducing your debt load, you'll save money on interest payments and free up funds for more important goals. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are vehicles for building wealth over time. Save a portion of your income for short-term goals and unexpected expenses, and invest for long-term growth. The power of compound interest can turn small contributions into substantial sums over the years. Retirement planning. Retirement might seem distant, but planning for it early is crucial. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA allows your money to grow tax-deferred until retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound. Insurance, protecting your future. Insurance is a shield against unexpected events. Health insurance, life insurance, and auto insurance provide financial protection in case of accidents or emergencies. Having the right coverage ensures your finances aren't derailed by unexpected events. Setting financial goals. Setting clear financial goals gives your efforts direction. Whether it's buying a home, funding education, or taking that dream vacation, defining your goals helps you make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's easy to let your expenses rise too. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation, the tendency to spend more as you earn more. Instead, focus on maintaining a balanced budget and allocating extra income toward your goals. Continuous learning. Personal finance is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Educate yourself about financial concepts, investment strategies, and economic trends. Staying informed empowers you to make better financial decisions. Seeking professional advice. If navigating personal finance feels overwhelming, consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Financial advisors can offer tailored guidance and strategies that align with your unique circumstances. As we wrap up this exploration of personal finance basics, remember that taking control of your finances is a transformative journey. By budgeting wisely, saving consistently, and making informed choices, you are well on your way to achieving financial empowerment and security. Thank you for joining us today to unlock the building blocks of personal finance. Remember, every step you take toward financial literacy is a step toward a brighter future. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others on their path to financial success. Until next time, keep building a strong financial foundation.